How to use proxies with Dolphin Anty. Navigate to the dashboard and pick the plan you'd like to use. After you've picked the plan you like, open up the Dolphin Anty program and hit Create Profile. Name it and choose Ready for the status tags. And make sure to select Windows 10 for the first option, New Proxy for the third option, and be sure to pick the HTTP protocol. Return to the generator and choose between rotating and sticky proxies according to your requirements. You can set the session time from 1 to 120 minutes. Remember to adjust your country or ISP settings, and then click on Update Settings. Lastly, copy the username and password, paste them into the program, check that the IP is displayed under the proxy, click Create, and then press Start. Feel free to enter the website you wish to visit securely into your browser. With Lightning proxies, you can enjoy high-speed browsing without any restrictions, allowing you to explore the web at your leisure.